Human activities such as exhaust from driving cars has released a gas into the air called carbon dioxide. And this gas is warming the planet, but also it's changing our ocean chemistry. The ocean has absorbed 30% of the carbon dioxide that has been released into the air. Once in the ocean, it reacts with water and makes it slightly more acidic. Big shifts in ocean acidity can be harmful to marine life and also threaten jobs and communities that are reliant on these healthy oceans. To anticipate the patterns and the impacts of ocean acidification, we need to know how it's changing now and in the future. My research looks at how ocean acidification changed in the past, using tiny fossils of marine creatures that once lived in the surface ocean. We have shown that levels of ocean acidification today and in the near future wouldn't have been this high for the past 14 million years. It is unlikely that marine ecosystems are able to adapt this quickly to this amount of change. On our current trajectory, we are facing unprecedented conditions in ocean chemistry. To help battle ocean acidification, learn about local ocean acidity and be a voice for marine life.
Small nation, big ideas. Welsh science tackling climate change.